Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one. Volume once again remains strong. Unfortunately, the price just could not maintain itself. What do I mean? Well, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls came roaring out of the gates and got up to that pink line, which for those of you that watched the video I did on Tuesday, that is a 200 period moving average, and I commented about how, yeah, the chart's definitely broken right now, but the first step in fixing things and getting everything back on track would be to get back up above that pink line. Again, on my chart denoting the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And again, to be fair, the bulls were so strong this morning that the price was able to get up above that level. The problem is the price just was not able to maintain that, and ultimately the price rolled back below that level, but then just kept on going all the way back down here. Now, at least it bottomed out around an area here that I've talked about in the past. So what I'm going to do here is actually bring up this level of support from a previous area, because it's become very apparent now that right here around 0.052 is going to be that level of support. Like I said, on this pullback here before it had a miniature bounce, it didn't even go down there and touch it, but point here being at least that level held, and maybe there's some sort of double bottom formation that's coming in here where it bounced once, came back down here, and like I said, didn't hit it exactly, but close enough, and perhaps starting to bounce back upwards again. So that's really the question in my mind is there some sort of double bottom pattern? Now that there very well may not be, and maybe this thing just crashes down below, or maybe there is some sort of double bottom, and the price continues to work its way back upwards, get up above that pink line again, but then of course the difference in that situation being staying up above that level. So really the key, two key levels going forward, 0.052, because that's going to help us answer the question on whether or not there is some sort of double bottom formation forming, and then again up there at that pink line, the 200 period moving average, which remains that key level of resistance. So all in all, keep an eye on these levels, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.